Morning. Dickie's round, bright and breezy. Not too sure why all the carpets are out. We've just got back from shopping. But what I am certain of is that seatbelt over there I've already fixed once because it jammed completely, but now it won't lock. You know, if you brake it won't lock, so that's bust. That one works alright, so we're going to take that one out. In fact, we're going to take the drivers out, swap the drivers for the passengers, and then he's got a brand new one, which is we're going to put on the drivers, and we're going to finally, because I've said it in so many videos now, get this interior done today. Here's the plan. So yeah, plan. Nice sunny day. I don't know if we're getting the stag out, but we are definitely doing Rover seatbelts and interior. So whether you hate or you love the brown, you must admit in the sun it looks well, doesn't it? Look well in the sun. I don't know what the dogs smell, seen. What's up with you? Well, they look well. Hey, there's a nice little backdrop of sunshine and a caravan and a carport and a trailer. Alright, let's get cracking.
Seals.
Ever seen what?
The door seals. And the boot, now it's been
I haven't seen the boot. Right, so tell me what you did again with this back window. You and lovely Alan. What did Alan do with the back window? Right, so this, which is actually in quite decent nick, in it.
Well, it's new, isn't it?
Right.
So it wasn't sealed properly.
Right, so have you took it off?
No.
Right.
Didn't take it
Have
off.
you lifted?
Pulled it forward.
Okay.
Put a cloth in to get rid of all the
Crap.
Dampness.
All right.
And then resealed it.
Right, so you've resealed the bottom.
Yeah.
Did you do anything with the top? Did you need to do anything with the top?
Yeah, I did the top.
Right.
I did the top, not the bottom.
You know what you mean? You done the bottom, not the top.
Done this.
That. Right. Right. So, are you breaking out the new seatbelt? That looks exactly the same as the one on the driver's side. Doesn't it? Right, let's get some tools and we'll take off whichever way around you want to take it off, yeah? You make sure you've got all your bits, and I'll go and grab some tools. Right, so first thing we're doing is taking the driver's side out, and for some reason, I don't know why, the bottom one, which on the other side is a bolt, on this side there's a screw. And if you remember from our other videos, which all our comments to be fair have been lovely, but people are quite rightly saying why are you dropping screws and everything. So Dickie has bought a magnetic screwdriver set, and if you can see that lovely bowl there, thing for putting them in. So we have listened to the comments and acting accordingly. There you go, Dickie. Right, I think those bolts were the same, so let's just figure out which bolts they are. Give us a second. If anyone would like to know which socket you need, it's 5/8. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. I'm doing it the wrong way around. Like you do. is longer than you think it is. That's me. It's huge. I suppose it is a seatbelt mounting. You do want it to be huge. Have we got any washers? Oh, we've got a spacer. We've got no washer, we've got a big spacer and a big bolt. Oh, not magnetic. Can you remind me we've got a big spacer there?
Yep.
Alright, just move that camera so we can hit the top. One sec. You'll be able to see that. Can you see? Can you see now? Is this bolt going to be the same? Bolt's the same. Yeah. Okay, so on that side we've got a bolt and that, a washer, and that which then goes into there. So that's that side. Keep that there so you don't get confused. Right, just figure out which bolts are which. Let's take that out. Put that over there. So driver's side is now going to be passenger side. That will be going like that. I've got this top bolt in first. We were just checking the kit. There's loads of other brackets, but it's basically if you have different mounting points, which ours are just mounting straight back into where they were, so we're all good. That's going back in there, like so. Then going on there, like so. Oh, I could switch it off and...
Pardon?
It was done, but Dickie's just decided he wants new bolts, not old bolts. Goodness me. So give us a sec. Right, top is done with new bolts at the request of Dickie, which is a bit of a pain because the new bolts are, guess what, metric. Guess what the old bolts are? Imperial. So we're now doing the actual mounting for the seat belt, and then the bottom. With a new nut, and it's got a spacer. That's going in through there. That's going in through there. That's going in through there. This would be obviously quite a bit easier if I was in front of it, but so you can all see exactly what we're doing. Right, that spacer is not on that side because that's now sitting proud. So the spacer mustn't have been for that bit, it must have been for the bottom. I'll whip that spacer out. Unless this is slightly different, I don't know. It certainly does not need that spacer. Spacer is coming out. This is like ridiculously fiddly. Got it. Not too sure how I'm going to get a socket in there. It'll be interesting. The space went on the other side. Better space went on the other side, you know, because you can't tighten up the socket. Let's pull it out a bit possibly. I know they have to be safe and they have to be long, but goodness me, they are long. Well, it'll let me just nick that up. Yes, it will. Nice and tight. Okay, and lastly, we are putting that down there. Move that adjuster out of the way. We got the bolt for the last one, Dickie.
Is that all you want, the bolt?
Yeah. I think that went on the bottom of that, on there. If I remember correctly. Yeah, a bolt on a washer. If you've got a washer, be better.
Yeah.
Went on there like that. Thank you. Which was the old bolt. I don't know if that's big enough. New one. Oh, it says actually. No, it isn't. Do it that way. That's got it. I don't think that's catching here. That might be actually. No, it is catching. I'll tell a lie. Yeah, let's get Dickie to test that. You want to test it? Yeah, you test it. I'll film it. I'll film it, you test it. I think that's right, everything's in tight. We've got to move the seat right forward and I'm impressed if it works first time without some kind of adjustment. Okay.
Yeah.
Did it lock?
Pardon?
Lock.
Will do.
Yeah? Right, are we happy that side's done?
Yeah.
Are we happy?
Yeah.
Right. Right, let's whip the passenger side off. And once we've whipped the passenger side off, driver's side is then going on to the passenger side. So we're done. So driver's side is now the passenger side, and it's exactly the same model as that side. As you can see, they both say secure on. So that's new, that's new, that's the old one, that's the old one. But we've now got two fully functioning seat belts. Right, what we do next? What we're doing next?
Going for a pint.
No, we're not. Well, we are, but we're not. Right, do you want to do the carpets?
Yeah.
Or the seats? Every bloody video we do, we say we're going to clean the seats, and we never clean the bloody seats. So, are we cleaning the seats or doing the carpet?
Doing the carpet.
Right, doing the carpet. We've got over there, from a really nice guy, gave us a set of carpets that actually match the interior. As in, is it mustard? Colours in your interior? It said on your swatch thing.
It's not mustard.
Right, whatever colour it is. So we're going to put the carpets over the carpets that are in, because that's the sensible thing to do, isn't it? Do that. What's got down there? Right, let's put some carpets in. Seatbelts will go down there. Faff that, won't it? Faff. Get it?
Right, this is the driver's side. Offside.
So, people may think this is a slightly silly idea, but I think this is actually quite a good idea. Because A, it matches, B, your nice brown interior will be protected. So, I think it's quite a good idea, really. Am I always the one who's on the floor, though? Hey?
Old age and poverty.
Is that what it is?
Yep.
I think what we're going to have to do is drag that from the back. Would be interesting. Ow! You sure you just don't like the brown ones?
What I was thinking was lift the seat up.
No, it's better to have it forward. You're just trying to get it to slot through. It's quite obviously robust. Let's try that way and see if it'll actually feed through. I don't think they're going to go under. The back of it's got a bit of a boarding on. Oh, hang on. What a faff.
Looking good.
Bloody faff. Oh, what an absolute faff. And I'm bleeding. Bloody bleeding here.
Can you do it quietly?
Okay.
Make sure you don't get any on the carpet.
Hilarious. Is that right?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. Looks good.
Well, that's as far back as that's going.
Yeah.
Well, for the sake of an important note, this will keep your nice brown carpets clean, won't it?
Yeah.
Carpets sort of using as mats. Dear hell. What a faff.
Which one are you using?
Your other ones are drivers. You've got 2 drivers. You see, it's got a board in it.
Yeah.
That's why it's a faff to get it through.
Might sound a bit stupid, but why don't you take the board out and put it in when it's at the back?
Shut up.
I love it when a plan comes together.
Shut up. Yeah, that's a really good idea. Oh, I've just got bits all over your coat.
Face bothered?
See?
That side's a lot easier, isn't it, with the board out?
Yeah. Yeah, on a serious note, taking the board out was a really good idea, Rios. A really good idea.
Problem is, can you get the bloody thing
Yeah,
back?
now I can. I think it was that way around. I think. Might be wrong. It's not too way around. That way around. Right, board in, carpet, lay, still bleeding. Right.
Looks good.
Yeah, it's actually a great idea because what we're basically doing is using a spare pair of carpets as mats. Keep floor clean. Are we happy?
Yep.
Cleaning this interior?
Yep.
Do I go and get a plaster?
Yep.
Bleeding. We're not going to show you cleaning all the interior, but we're basically going to give you a bit of a snapshot of what we're doing. Yeah, scrub it until you're happy with it, basically. It will all those the bits that are ingrained will come out because obviously it is leather. But as I say, this basically dries it up like a prune, so that's what the balming is for. So you could literally spend all day doing this, but we'll get it to a level that you're happy with. So we're not filming all of it because it'll take, you know, however long. So Dickie's doing the door cards and the bits underneath the bonnet, underneath the dash either side, and then I'm going to do the seats. So at the moment we are cleaning with
Auto Glim
leather cleaner, and it is good stuff. So yeah, we are coughing and cleaning. unlike me. Right, so just nearly finished.
There's a blue cloth at the back.
Using that. No. So basically, seats, door cards, and bottom dash panels have all been scrubbed using a pad and the auto glue and stuff, and it is now absolutely and utterly like dry, as in like, yeah, dry. So we shall now balm it to within an inch of its life. But yeah, it's had a good scrub. You don't want it to look new, and you know, that bit's in the grain. Just want it to look clean. Really? Oh yeah. Been meaning to do this for ages. Right, let's get the balming done. So we're just finishing him, and it has come up very clean. The driver's seat was ridiculous. We've had to balm it about 3 times, but with this stuff I think less is more, and I like to leave them quite saturated, and then this is what I've done with many cars, and I think once you leave it, the balm carries on soaking in, because obviously we've just, whatever little bit of moisture was in these seats, we've just took out with the cleaner. So as you can see, these literally are saturated in balm, and now over the next couple of hours it will all start soaking in. So we're done. So hopefully the seats look shiny. They won't stay this shiny. It'll take a couple of hours and all this will start absorbing in. But yeah, I think at that we're done. That's well done, it?
Yeah. Turn off.
What are we doing now, Dickie?
Turn off.
No, what are we doing now?
Don't know.
We're going to the pub?
Yeah.
Okay.
Turn off.
We're going to the pub.
Ta-ta.
Right, we are definitely going to the pub, but we asked the question of what interior is Dad's, and how do you pronounce it?
Buckskin.
Buckskin. So there we go. Interior. That's the other interiors.
Exterior. It's that brown, Mexico brown.
Mexico brown. Right. Make a brew for the wife. Dog's out for a wee. Bus is in 8 minutes. Let's go to the pub. Do. Right. We shall catch you all next time.